everyone, welcome to my first journal video. So I just created my birthday journal and today I'm going to show you the simple materials that I use and the step-by-step process in doing it. So let's start. So here are my materials. Sticky notes and bookmarks. You can find this in school supply stores. Some stickers and pictures. Also, I have here some pens, marker, pencils, glue sticks, colored pens. Also, my favorite washi tapes. You can find this in online stores or school supplies too. And of course, don't forget your journal notebook. This is important. So let's start journaling. We're done. So this is the final look of my birthday journal. For starters, you don't need to buy expensive materials in doing your journal. Like me, you can just print some pictures. It depends on your theme or style you want to create. I hope you guys enjoy the simple journaling, and to all my journal lovers like me, don't forget to like and subscribe on my YouTube channel to get updates on my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye!